Okay, let's go. Papa bought a Roomba. Roomba?
Oh.
In a minute.
Can I open this, Papa? Can I open this?
What is that, Lucas?
Papa, I could open this, Mommy.
Oh, that's exciting. One of your birthday presents?
Can I open one of my birthday presents? Mommy, what's that? Vacuuming. I need some. Mama, can I have these scissors? Papa, I need some scissors.
You don't like it, Lucas? No?
He likes it.
What do you think? Yeah, do you like it?